Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by clarifying purpose and audience so every decision supports a goal. Next, gather brand assets and content to avoid placeholder delays. This saves iteration time. Once done, sketch a simple layout: header, hero, features, call to action, footer, focusing on hierarchy and spacing. Use a 12-column grid and a 16:9 hero ratio for consistency. Start with mobile-first wireframes, so you design constraints into the process rather than retrofitting them later. You now translate wireframes into a clean HTML structure using semantic tags to aid accessibility and SEO. Then create a CSS foundation, define color variables, set an 8pt base spacing scale, and declare responsive breakpoints. Make layout with CSS grid for page regions and flexbox for component alignment so content adapts reliably. Once done, optimize images to modern formats like web and add src set for multiple resolutions. This reduces load time and improves perceived performance. You finalize by polishing UI details, consistent spacing, readable typography, and clear CTAs, then run cross-device and browser tests to catch layout shifts. Make accessibility checks, keyboard navigation, contrast, and area labels so more users can interact. Next, minify CSS/JS, enable caching, and deploy to a CDN for fast delivery. After launch, monitor analytics and performance if issues appear. Use your rollback plan to revert quickly and diagnose without extended downtime. One quick troubleshooting tip follows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.